Hello and welcome back to another video. So I hope y'all are doing well on whatever it is that I upload. But today's video we're just going to be doing this cute simple beat. It's something that I always do, and I just added a red lip because a black girl in a red lip. Okay, this is like a chit chat, get ready with me type video. Details on this hair linked below. I was trying to see because I recorded the video, but I didn't know if I was going to put the makeup video out first or the hair video, but I think the hair video is going to come first. So details on this hair linked below, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, letting me know what you want to see next, letting me know your thoughts, and yeah, keep watching so you can see how I got this look. I feel like it has been forever since I have filmed a video, since I've done a talk through. It's been a long time. If you don't know by now, I'm congested, so excuse my voice. And yeah, so we just gonna get right into it. I'm about to do my makeup, nothing too special, just makeup, talk through, tell y'all what I'm gonna be doing, everything like that. I guess a little life update maybe, I don't know. Excuse my edges because I had baby hairs, but I woke up and it was gone. Well, I attempted baby hairs. So I have already primed my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and then I moisturized with the Eucerin lotion, the one with the red top. So I did my brows off camera as well because they needed to touch up. They needed to be touched up because they were a little out of control. So I did those off camera. So let me get my hair clips for my hair. I need some water, I'm thirsty. My son is all behind me. Let me scoot this back. I have a mama's boy for real, y'all. I can't breathe without him. For foundation today, I really want to switch it up and not use my NARS. I want to use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. These are both in the shade Cocoa, but one of the pumps doesn't work, so yeah. Wait, neither one of them work. Oh, I was about to say. So what's been up with it, y'all? I'm just give y'all a little update. Oh yeah, ignore that, y'all, because it ain't plucked all the way right. Because I know I was doing a middle part, so I didn't really pluck it like I wanted to, like I should have. But the way my skin and this foundation, it's not. Oh my gosh. But we just gonna make it work, okay? But I have started Christian TikTok. I post a lot of prophetic messages from God, some of my dreams that he gives me. This looks crazy, but y'all, we just gotta go with it now because I started. The reason why my skin, it may look a little bit lighter, or like my skin tone is evening out, is because I've started using tretinoin because I have hyperpigmentation, and this side I'm still struggling with, because it's the most stubborn side, and I've had those scars for a long time. So yeah, I've been using tretinoin for a month, and so far so good. It's making slow progress. I like to see immediate results, and with this I've had to be patient. Excuse me, sir, why aren't you putting your hand in this makeup? You can't do that. He over here digging in my foundation. The sticks. And then want to be mad at me. You can't do that. So y'all, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, I posted, no, because I didn't post it publicly. So I ended up burning it underneath my nose, y'all. So my skin has been peeling, my mouth has been dry from the treadmill, and my nose has been peeling. My nose is burned underneath, for real. It's way darker than underneath my skin. I mean, it's darker because I've been congested for almost 2 weeks. It's been, today makes day 10, and I go to the doctor tomorrow. I was putting vapor rub under my nose because I was trying to breathe, because I couldn't breathe that night. The decongester wasn't working, the humidifier wasn't working, the hot shower wasn't working, like nothing was working. So he got it again. He got another one. Yeah. I don't even remember what I was talking about, but I'm gonna take this Fun concealer and place it underneath. Why is it watery? I have no idea where my mirror is. The one that I want to use, but this boy back here, everything, he got glitter going everywhere. I'm about to have glitter on my face and my hair. Y'all see that? I feel like I always put concealer, more concealer under one eye. So I'm just evening it out a little bit. So what y'all been up to? I was telling y'all about my Christian TikTok that I started, and it's really been doing good. I post prophetic words, prophetic messages from God. Anything that God gives me that I'm supposed to put out, I posted, and I really like it so far. My following has increased like crazy. I have almost 400 followers, and that's a long way from 10,000 because you can't monetize until 10,000. But and my insights were at like 35K. So I don't know, they need to change something up, if you ask me. But yeah, my TikTok is AliciaSharel. So I don't know where I put my foundation brush to. So I'm gonna just take my Laura Mercier setting powder and go ahead and set before I start creasing. And hopefully the powder helps blend out the line. So for my contour, I am still using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit, and Sculpt, this shade right here. I'm not gonna even try the 48 contour. I'm gonna go back and clean up the harsh line with the Laura Mercier powder. That's a lot. I'll just put some powder right there myself. So I put on mascara off camera. I'm gonna apply these lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. Hope y'all can't see my nose peeling under this makeup. Ooh, no man. Oh, okay. I have to brush a little harder. Nah, I don't like this brush. Bring everything together. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And this is one of my favorite setting sprays. So I just went ahead and changed my shirt. It's the old shirt that I got from Shein. And it is, the name is Shein, yeah. I guess I would say pet peeve when people be like Sheen. It's Shein because it used to be called She Inside. Okay, debate over with. But I wish my child was old enough. I'd be like, hey, bring me that comb, and he knew what I meant. But he's just gonna repeat what I say. For highlighter, I have the Maybelline Master Chrome in metallic, no, molten gold. Do I look pretty? He didn't say anything. I need to get something to moisturize my lips a little bit. I ain't gonna. So I'm gonna take this black eyeliner and create me a fake mole, period. Can't see it that good, but it's there. And then I'm gonna go in with this red lipstick because why not? Oh, that is so pretty. This is super cute. I love a red lip. This lipstick is Too Faced Lady Boss. That is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe so you never miss when I upload any of the videos. And I'll see y'all in my next video.